Hello guys, NewAppleTimes here, welcome to a new video. And today, as you can see, I have my MacBook here. And you might be wondering why. Well, probably you know it by the title of the video. But yeah, the thing is that today, after almost 7 years using this as my computer, every single video in this channel has been edited with this. Some have been more pleasant than others, but they have all been edited with this. And finally today, it's quite heavy. But here it is, the 16-inch MacBook Pro. Okay, so here it is. It's pretty heavy box, and this actually came in today at 10ish or 11 am, but I was working from home, so I had it looking at me for pretty much the whole day until now that it's 4 p.m. I finally finished work, and now I can unbox it for you. So yeah, this is the i9 model. Has 8-core i9, 16 gigs of RAM, 1 terabyte SSD, that's gonna be awesome, 4 gigabytes of GDDR6 video memory, Radeon Pro 5500M, and yeah, crazy specs. Like, I'm gonna notice the difference so big. But yeah, I've been waiting too long, so let's unbox this. As you can see, we have the pull tab here, and then we just pull out the plastic, remove it. Pretty large box, and I'm pretty sure the laptop is almost as large, which is a pretty big difference from my old MacBook. Yeah, let's pull up. Here it is. Ooh, the box is actually thick. I thought it would be thinner. So are the bezels here. But yeah, oh my god, this is very big. And it's so thin. Let's put this aside for a moment. Wow. What a beast. But yeah, here we have... Actually, it smells good. Here we have the documentation, MacBook Pro, and what is this actually? Oh, nothing. Seems to be like a booklet, but there is not. Weird. But yeah, documentation and Apple stickers in space gray. Oh my god, I did not know this. Only this was worth the whole price for the machine. Wow. So, cable here, USB-C to USB-C, it's 2 meters I believe, which is 6-ish foot for those of you with stupid units. But yeah, and then the power adapter, which is 96 volts, and this is not plastic, it's more like paperish. It's pretty similar to the paper you put in the oven, so it's pretty much that. And yeah, 96 watts. Which is updated from 87, I believe, so it will charge your Mac faster, and you need it because this has a 100 watt-hour battery, which is actually the biggest you can board on a plane. So yeah, and yeah, it's this cable. Let's put the box aside and get ready for the moment of joy of removing the plastic. So this table that I have here, it's, I don't know if you can notice, but it's quite rough. Like, we repainted it and we didn't do it very well, so now it's pretty rough, and I really don't want to scratch it. So I hope these feet are big enough. Yeah, they probably are. But yeah, the moment of pleasure. And here it is. Wow, wow. I can't believe this is mine, to be honest. So place it here, open it, move this, and I'm pretty sure it should start automatically. Oh, good. You can barely see myself, but yeah, it started automatically. Took a little while, but it did. So yeah, now I have to set everything up. Have to set Face ID, Hey Siri, of course everything else. You can barely see it with the plants. But yeah, now you will see the reflection of my whole house. But here it is. Okay, so we got the language. I'm gonna set it in Spanish for now. I automatically detected Spanish as the first one. The touch bar. I'm loving this. So yeah, I will really notice the difference between this and my old MacBook. In Spain, yes. The Wi-Fi. So basically this is everything for this video. Now I have to set everything up, but that will probably be a little bit boring for you. If you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe. Very important that you subscribe, because I have a full review coming on this, a comparison between this one and the immediate predecessor, which was the 15-inch MacBook Pro with the same internals, just the old model with the old keyboard. Ooh, the keyboard is nice. But the old keyboard and everything. I have AirPods Pro review coming, I have AirPods Pro comparison, I have so many videos, especially Apple related. So if you're into that, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any of them. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions on the comments, if you have any questions or anything you would like me to address in the review about this, please let me know in the comments below. And yeah, thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.